Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. Honorable Federal Minister for Interior, Honorable Sheikh Rashid Ahmed, respected Madam, Director General Dr. Aruj, media friends, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. I am honored, delighted and privileged to be here in this very important occasion to say a few words. World Health Organization appreciate all the measures taken by the government of Pakistan to stop transmission of COVID-19 infection in the country. We have experienced the highest level commitment for this, as well as mobilizing necessary resources to have a comprehensive response. We admire it and appreciate it. Now today our function here is where WHO has come forward to support the Metropolitan Islamabad Corporation, MCI, to have a greater response to few infectious diseases, dengue, COVID-19, as well as gaining essential health services, immunization. Now we are donating one double cap to increase the efforts to improve the surveillance in MCI, then 2 ambulances to increase improve the case management, and then the motorbikes for vaccinators. And vaccination or immunization is another very important area which can prevent many diseases. So therefore, we are very much happy about all the measures taken by the MCI under the great leadership of the Honorable Minister of Interior and all the health officials. And let us work together for improvement of people, health and well-being in Pakistan. I'll stop here. Thank you so much.
Now I would like to invite our revered Minister of Interior, Mr. Sheikh Rashid Ahmed, to oblige us with a few words.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Country head WHO, Dr. Palitha, Administrator MCI, and DG Health MCI. It's great pleasure for me from WHO that we are receiving 20 motorbikes and 2 ambulances. And WHO is giving a great service to MCI. So I'm personally thankful to the DG Health and also the country head WHO, because Islamabad is a city where we need so many things, so many jobs have to work, and especially these transports will work for COVID and for other diseases. This is the 3rd layer of the COVID. Alhamdulillah, we have faced 2 layers very perfectly, and there is the less effect in Pakistan when we compare with other countries. And especially, I have given tasks today to the Administrator and DG Health Saab, that we will start over 20 ambulances within a month. And whatever we have to expand on that, they have already some ambulances. This is very unfortunate. We have a capital city, Islamabad, and there is a shortage or not properly well-conditioned ambulances in Islamabad. We are also going to make not only 111, 222, but also Eagle Squad. We are going to finish all our security hurdles in Islamabad, and within a month you will see that 100 motorbikes newly and 100 old one which I am going to renovate it again. So 200 motorbike and the 20 cars and the other transport will be available to the MCI people. And in the end, also grateful the country head of WHO. I'll talk politically after when I'll come back from there. So this is just for your kindness and your greatness, and Ministry of Interior is grateful for your this great job. Thank you very much, everybody.